What are parameters of projectile motion, or what is TRH for a ground to ground projectile? Here T stands for time of flight, R stands for range, H stands for maximum height. So we are going to calculate these three important parameters of projectile motion. So I'm going to redraw the diagram which we have drawn. X, Y. A projectile is projected from point O with a velocity u at an angle theta with x-axis. That means the velocity of the projectile along x direction is u cos theta, and velocity of the projectile in y direction is u sin theta, and projectile will go in a parabolic path and finally reach a point P. And the maximum horizontal displacement of the projectile we call it as range, and maximum vertical displacement of the projectile we call it as H max. And when the projectile is at the highest point, vertical velocity becomes 0, but horizontal velocity will be remains constant. Let us take x and y parameters. Initial velocity along x direction is u cos theta, and acceleration along x direction is 0, whereas initial velocity along y direction is u sin theta, and acceleration along y direction is minus g, because acceleration always acts towards downward direction. And time period is same for both of them. Let the time t be time of flight. Since when the projectile is projected from point O from the origin, time starts, and when it reaches to the point P, let the time be t, that is time of flight. During this motion, when the projectile reaches point P, the net vertical displacement becomes 0 because it reaches to the same point on the same line, correct? So therefore, displacement along y direction is equal to initial velocity along y direction times t plus half acceleration along y direction times t square. Since displacement along y direction after completion of completion of the whole journey, we say it is 0, and initial velocity along y direction is u sin theta times t minus half g t square, because acceleration along y direction is minus g. So what we can write, half g t square is equal to u sin theta t, and square and t get cancelled. So t is equal to 2u sin theta by g. This is the time of flight of a projectile. And let us calculate range as well. Range is nothing but maximum horizontal displacement. And during the motion, the total time taken by the projectile, just now we calculated 2u sin theta by g. And since in the horizontal direction, the projectile exhibit uniform motion, therefore velocity along x direction is equal to displacement along x direction by total time. Therefore, displacement along x direction is equal to velocity along x direction times t. Displacement along x direction is range. Velocity along x direction is u cos theta into time is 2u sin theta by g. Therefore, range can be calculated u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g, or range is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g, because since 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So this is the range, the maximum horizontal displacement of a projectile, and there is one more parameter that we need to calculate, h max. H max is nothing but maximum y displacement during half of the journey, because when the projectile is at the highest point, the time period is half. At that point, vertical velocity is 0, therefore, and initial velocity along y direction is u sine theta, and acceleration along y direction is minus g. Therefore, let us use final velocity along y direction square minus initial velocity along y direction square is equal to 2 into acceleration along y direction times displacement along y direction. Final velocity along y direction is 0, so 0 square minus u square sine square theta is equal to 2 into minus g into sy is nothing but h max. Therefore, h max is equal to u square sine square theta by 2g. This is the maximum height reached by the projectile in vertical direction.